How long should chickpeas soak? Chickpeas should soak between 11 and 12 hours, neither shorter nor longer than that. It's important that you adhere to the soaking time because then your chickpeas will thrive and grow into delicious sprouts for you. If you cut the soaking time, the chickpeas will not be sufficiently soaked and then they will not sprout properly. You can hear on your chickpeas if they have not absorbed enough water. In that case, they have a light sound, like hard beads when you pour them into the SproutPearl after soaking. Conversely, if the chickpeas have soaked for too long, they'll become soft and almost dissolve. You'll immediately be able to see if they've been in the water for too long. Then the transparent seed hull will be loose when you pour them into the sprouter. If the chickpeas have soaked for too long, they'll also begin to separate during cultivation. The result is bad sprouts. So adhere to the recommended soaking time. That will give you a nice and fun sprouting experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to post it in the comment section. I'll answer ASAP and maybe even make a little video with the answer to your question. If you wish to enjoy this wonderfully filling and protein-rich sprout, you can find organic chickpeas for sprouts in the webshop freshsprouts.net. Here are also tips and recipes for all your other sprouts. Happy sprouting!